Don't reset your PC. Try this PC cleanup guide first. Click the search bar. Type Disk Cleanup. In Best Match, click Disk Cleanup. Drive selection windows appeared. Select your main drive, C, and click OK button. Disk Cleanup for C drive windows appeared. Click Cleanup System Files. Again, drive selection windows appeared. Select your main drive, C, and click OK button. Click the More Options tab. Under System Restore and Shadow Copies, click Clean Up and confirm by clicking Delete. Click OK button. The next windows, click Deletes Files button to permanently delete files. How Disk Cleanup tool freeing space from your PC.